What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Damn, I just got a part right now from Amazon. It's for me to drop the back 2 inches. It's drop shackles. I think it's 2 or 3 inches. So I'm gonna be dropping the rear right now. And as you guys can see, I have the bed off. I put the bed right here. I'm fixing this right here too. Since, as you guys can see, it's all broken. You see, and so I got a new one right here. And I gotta replace it with this one. I got a new one, and damn, super excited because the part was supposed to. I ordered the part like 2 weeks ago or something like that, and it got rescheduled because due to the weather and all this and that, it got rescheduled twice. So now the part got here and it was supposed to be here Thursday, and yeah, man, I'm gonna be doing it right now. But this video is gonna be in a couple, like 2 or 3 days, and it's gonna be super cool. And man, I'm excited. Let's get to it. I'm gonna open my present. Bella was saying, here's the drop shackles. Yes. Heck yeah, this is gonna be sick. It's gonna lower the back. Hopefully it's gonna sort of even the truck. Maybe it's gonna be off a little more lifted in the rear, like 2 inches, but that's cool because I'm gonna use it for towing and stuff. But we're gonna get it installed right now.
And then he's gonna put it on right now, but I got my dad's this box, the red box, the little thingy. So he got a barbecue, and I hope you see me, but I guess you see me. But he got 6 tires. They're right here. Look. See? And then he's gonna work on it. He's gonna work on it, and then he took off his bed, but the other bed, not the red bed. But I hope you see me far away, but I'm gonna go down, okay, guys? So I'm already down here. I hope you see me, the one with the black thing. So I hope you hear me over there in the garage, but I'm gonna wash my mom's car later when we're done eating. So I'm gonna put on my sweater. So I hope you see me, guys, the one with the black thing. And then bye, guys.
Alright, so I took this shackle off, the OEM, and then this one, the hole is, these are small. So I'm gonna have to make it bigger, and then on the 2 of them, I'm gonna have to make them bigger. And I didn't know they were gonna be smaller, but yeah, once I make those bigger, then I'm gonna be able to install this. So So with this one, we're gonna be able to make the hole bigger to 5/8. Now the hole's bigger, so that's how you get it done. Quick style, huh? That's how you get the next one done. Alright, so I got the lowering shackles on. So now, so I can set them to how they're gonna be, so I can tighten them. I have to set the truck to ride height. So now I'm gonna lower it. Dang. Oh shit. So look, you can't tell because the bed's not on, but yeah, that's a big difference. Look at this is the OEM. Look at that. That's like 3 inches. Heck yeah, it's almost gonna be the same ride height, but I'm gonna tighten them, and then tomorrow I'll just start off with finishing the rest of the stuff. All right, peace. All right, what's going on, guys? So today's the next day. So right now I had gotten started on fixing the drive shaft, the center support on the truck, and yeah, it's kind of been not a struggle, but I just had to cut the whole, like I just had to make it into pieces. Like, this is all the pieces. Like I had to just grind it down and take it off, and so now like this is the last part I got to do. I gotta put that one in. Once after I do that, then I just put the drive shaft back, and then I think I'm gonna be putting the bed after that, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna check what else I gotta do before I put the bed back on. But I just want to see how it looks. I want to see how the truck looks now that I put the new shackles with the drop. Like I really want to see how it looks. Like man, I'm super excited to see how it looks. All right, so right now I just finished installing the center support bearing, and I put the truck down, and then I put the shackles on. So now me and my brother, we're gonna put the bed on, we're gonna see how the truck looks with the bed now. Try. Whew. So that was a struggle. So now the bed is on. I still need to bolt it on, but we got it. I like the way it looks. I know it sits lower for sure, because when I took off the center support bearing, and when I had more room under the truck, but after I lowered the truck and I put the center support bearing back, the new one on, like I was struggling a little bit since the truck was lower, but for sure it looks way better. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I also did remove I also did remove the rear bumper, and I'm gonna be putting a roll pan on the truck on the back. And so I'm gonna show you guys the truck now, right? Alright guys, now that you guys saw the truck, I just want to say that it's a little bit, it needs a little more low in the back, but that's good right now. I mean, later on I do plan to put in I want to put some bags on the truck, and I did order some other parts, some little parts that I gotta fix. And then on the engine I gotta replace some stuff from the throttle. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and please like. I noticed that a lot of you guys don't watch the full videos. I'm gonna start making them shorter now, so you guys can watch them all the way. Please let me know in the comments what I can do better, what I can improve on. I do want to get better, and please comment, let me know what I can do better. Hopefully you like this video. Peace.